Hello, and thank you so much for joining me here today so I could share with you some of my insights about my specialty, which is neurology. I'm Dr. Mil Etienne. I am a neurologist. I'm board certified in neurology, epilepsy, clinical neurophysiology, and brain injury medicine. And uh, you start viewing this segment, what you're going to find is that we're going to spend a lot of time getting an understanding of the brain. I've been interested in the brain since I was in high school. I loved my psychology course in high school and subsequently went on to study psychology at Yale University. Um, Following that, my time at Yale, I went on to medical school, followed by residency and fellowship training in neurology, epilepsy at Columbia University. Throughout all that time, what I've really been fascinated by is one, the myriad of, one is the intricacies of the human nervous system, the amazing things that it's able to do. So, understanding the nervous system allows you to understand how some of, like, if you just watch the Olympics, for example, this past summer, and you've seen some of the acrobats and the amazing things that people can do with their bodies, that is all coordinated through the nervous system. It starts in your brain. I know a lot of times people will say, "Oh, yes, that's muscle memory." Well, memory is actually stored in the brain. So a lot of times that's the brain has these circuits, these things we call. There's an area called the basal ganglia. There's another area called the cerebellum, and there's learning centers, and those things all coordinate. Those parts of the brain all coordinate to allow those super athletes and other people to do really just amazing things with their bodies. So that's what makes me love the nervous system. Now, what's also interesting about the nervous system is what happens when it doesn't work, when it's got what we call pathology. Something went awry. It's not working right. And when those systems are not working properly, we also see some interesting things. And as a neurologist, I take a great deal of pride in working with patients and helping them to navigate neurological diseases. When they get inflicted with something brand new, like a seizure, for example, right? Somebody has a brand new seizure, they've never had it before. I'm 25 and now I have a seizure, and they say, "Wow, what happened? Why am I getting this now?" So it's the neurologist's job to really understand that, to figure it out, work with you. We're on the same team. We're going to do everything we can to get to the bottom of what is it that's causing you to have this malfunction of your nervous system. And then once we figure out what that is, why you're having this problem, then our job is to try to fix it. We'll work with you on that, right? We're gonna, whether it might be a pill, it might be some form of therapy, it might be something completely different. And there's constantly new therapies coming through the pipeline. Is it safe for me to take this new medication, right? We're gonna talk about some of those things, and we're gonna find out, what do you do with your body? You know, why do I need sleep, for example? You want to understand that. Why should I sleep, right? Is that wasted time, or is that restoration process important for our brain and our body? Thank you once again for spending this time with me. I encourage you to like, comment, specifically let me know what you'd like to hear me speak about in the future. Follow and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.